Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a logo in less than 5 minutes. I'm going to start by going to a website called canva.com. I'll leave a link for it down in the description. You will have to make an account, but you can use this for free. You don't have to pay for this. So if you scroll down on the home page, there is a section called logos, and if you click on see all, you can see all of the different templates for the logos. The ones with a little $sign on the bottom right means that you will have to pay for it, but if you don't see that, then that means this is free. So for example, this one is free. And you can scroll through and use any of these that you like as a template. So I'm gonna go back to this one. So you can change the font if you don't like this font. So you can go up here and select a different font that you like. They have a lot of free ones that you can choose from. The ones with the crown means that you will have to use Canva Pro, which is the paid option, but they do have a lot of free ones that you can choose from. If you do like the font, you can just double click on it and change the text. So for example, if you wanted to say beautiful flowers, you can see it in the background and it'll change to this. And let's say on the bottom you want this to say locally grown. So I was just making that up, but you can type in whatever you want. It could be the name of your business, and you can also change this picture in the middle. If you want something similar, you can click on elements, and they have a lot of free elements you can pick from. You could type in flower, and you'll see a lot of designs. Again, the ones with the crown means that you will have to pay for it. Otherwise, all of the other ones are free, and you can select from those. If you want to create a sticker that is square, you can leave it like this. You can also increase the size if you want the size of the sticker to be a little bit bigger. And then these pink lines tell you that this is the center, so you can lock in the center that way. If you want to create a different shape of stickers, I'm going to exit this, and here they have different shapes. So if you see all, you can choose from these shapes to create into a sticker. Let's say we want to make a circle. So now I want to make this bigger so that I can fit all of the text. And I'm going to send to back. So now let's say I want to keep that background color I had, which was this one. Okay, so now I want to select the background. So it's going to be this square in the back, and I'm going to choose a different color. Since the color for my circle is pretty light, I want to go really dark so that Cricut Design Space can easily delete the dark parts. And it looks like my circle is cropped a little at the top, so I'm going to bring it down. There we go. Okay, and then once you're happy with it, you'll hit download. And you can select between PNG and JPEG, but I'm just going to leave it at PNG because I want this to be a high quality image, and hit download. And it should be downloaded automatically. Next, we're going to go to Cricut Design Space and hit upload, and then browse for the image that we just downloaded. So that was this one here. I'm going to select complex, hit continue, and now with the select and erase tool, I'm just going to select the black space. So then you should have your sticker here. And we want this to be a print and cut, so I'm going to select this, and I'm going to insert the image to my canvas. So here you can select the size that you want. The size that I personally like is 2 inches, so I'm going to change this to 2 inches. And since we're doing a print and cut, I can only go up to 6.75 inches wide and 9.25 inches tall. Here you can align and distribute horizontally, and then duplicate. And this is within the dimensions. So we can attach, and then we can hit make it. This is how it'll look once we print it. Since we're making a sticker sheet, I'm going to select sticky note and load this into my Cricut and print. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!